inside my RV bus. 29.4. I have been constructed things here right now, so I have a lot of things to do. So the most is under control, where the things go to. So I have some test battery here. That's the update today so far. In the mess, a lot of equipment here and there, and testing here and there. And the dog. Very warm today. Nice weather. Sun is behind a cloud there. And the grass is green, not looking so burned anymore. After a little bit of rain, it's coming a little bit more. This is the temperature who shows on the old thermometer. Nice ones. And this is another color, but nice also. And those also coming up bunch. So the garden is blooming finally. I hope the weather is gonna be okay now and forward. So that's the update from Skotterud today. So subscribe to the channel, it's free. Abonner if you are Norwegian, it's gratis. In Swedish, abonnera, it's also gratis. So goodbye from me here in Skotterud today. Have a nice Thursday. Fantastic warm here. Bye bye.